The RSS chief has made a big remark with regard to the Ram Mandir and the Pran Pratishtha. He has said that the Ram Mandir Pratishtha in Ayodhya was true independence. This is a big word that has come in from the RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat. Real independence happened with the Pran Pratishtha of the Ram Mandir. RSS chief has said, celebrate the Ram Mandir as Pratishtha Day. All right, could that be an announcement coming in from the government? Is the government going to take cognizance of what the RSS chief wants? Remember, right now, as the Mahakumbh is on, it coincides with the Pran Pratishtha anniversary, also of the Ram Lala at the Mandir in Ayodhya. Mohan Bhagwat has said, Mandir movement was started to awaken self. India faced many enemy attacks over decades and centuries. Invaders destroyed temples across the belt for years. Invaders wanted to destroy the real self, the true self of this nation, of the civilization, and the Pratishtha of the Ram Mandir in many ways is restoring that independence. Very interesting words. Let's listen in full to what Mohan Bhagwat has said.
प्रतिष्ठा द्वादशी पौष शुक्ल द्वादशी का नया नामकरण हुआ। पहले हम कहते थे वैकुंठ एकादशी, वैकुंठ द्वादशी, अब उसको प्रतिष्ठा द्वादशी कहते हैं, क्योंकि अनेक शतकों से परचक्र झेलने वाले भारत के सच्चे स्वतंत्रता की प्रतिष्ठा उस दिन हो गई। स्वतंत्रता थी, प्रतिष्ठित नहीं थी, क्योंकि भारत स्वतंत्र हुआ 15 अगस्त को, तो राजनीतिक स्वतंत्रता हमको मिल गई। हमारा भाग्य निर्धारण करना हमारे हाथ में आ गया। हमने एक संविधान भी बनाया, एक विशिष्ट दृष्टि जो भारत के अपने स्व से निकलती है, उसमें से वो संविधान दिग्दर्शित है। लेकिन उसके जो भाव है उसके अनुसार चला नहीं। और इसलिए हो गए हैं सोचना सदा साकार कैसे मान लें, कल गया सर से व्यथा का भार कैसे मान लें, ऐसी मनस्थिति जमा की। क्योंकि जो आवश्यक स्वतंत्रता में स्व का अधिष्ठान होता है वो लिखित रूप में संविधान से नहीं पाया, लेकिन हमने अपने मन को उसके पक्के नींव पर आरूढ़ नहीं किया।
So remember this month of January, which is also being celebrated as the anniversary of the Pran Pratishtha at the temple in Ayodhya, and then comes in this specific mention by Mohan Bhagwat. Vidya is joining me for the latest on what was said by Mohan Bhagwat. Vidya, very interesting. Now, of course, what he has said is expected of the RSS chief, but then to say, let's start celebrating it as Pratishtha Day, and I'm wondering if the government is going to take a note here.
Whether government really takes a note or not is not something that can be, as of now, said. But then certainly Sanjay Raut has spoken about it, and he has mentioned that, Mohan Bhagwat certainly is not the person who has written the constitution of this country, and it is the constitution which decides what has to be done with what. And certainly, as he was saying, Sanjay Raut very specifically said that, if you look at this Ram Lala issue, it has been there for ages. And and even the Shiv Sena party was the one which had started this entire movement, had taken it forward. We had seen Bal Thackeray and a lot of people from Maharashtra going all the way to Ayodhya. So it is that movement which has now led to this day, and that's the reason why what Sanjay Raut meant was that it doesn't really make sense what Bhagwat is really saying. The Constitution decides when the Independence Day has to be celebrated. The Constitution decides how it has to be done. And the fact remains that Mohan
Interesting.
Bhagwat has not written the constitution. Is something that he
This clearly, Vidya, as you're telling us, interesting too, because Sanjay Raut has responded. Could this become a big showdown coming up? Will there be a Pratishtha Day? Could our Independence Day become the Pratishtha Day? All of that, could that be in consideration? And it will be interesting to see how other leaders and parties react, specifically, for example, the Uddhav Sena. What do you think? Should we be, as India, celebrating this as a true independence? Is this a realization of our civilization? But expect a lot of showdown in days to come.